Shalom, warriors, and welcome to the Daily Warfare Drop with Raphael Rabbi. Today's theme is order, identity, and standing in formation. Warriors, today we move into the book of Numbers, and immediately God shows us something many overlook in spiritual warfare. Order matters. In Numbers chapter 1 and chapter 2 are not just lists and layouts, they are strategy. In Numbers chapter 1, God commands a census. Every tribe is counted. Every man of fighting age is identified. Warriors, this is not about identifying and responsibility. God knows his people by name and by assignment. No one is lost in the crowd. No one is overlooked. In warfare, knowing who is present and who is prepared matters. As a former British Army combat medic, I can tell you this. Before any operation, you account for personnel. You don't move forward without knowing who is ready, who is trained, and who is positioned. Disorder creates risk. Spiritually, God does the same. He establishes clarity before movement. Now, in Numbers chapter 2, then shows how the tribes are arranged around the tabernacle. God is at the center. Every tribe has a position. Every family has a place. Warriors, this is powerful. God organizes his people around his presence. Not around preference, not around convenience, around himself. This speaks directly into everyday life. In a world that feels chaotic, there are traffic jams, rising costs at the shops, constant breaking news, pressure at the workplace, tension at home. Order feels rare. Everyone is rushing, reacting, and rearranging life around urgency. But God calls his people to do the opposite. Arrange life around his presence. As a husband and a father, I have learned that families function best when God is at the center. When schedules, finances, and priorities obey him, peace follows even when life is busy. Without that center, everything pulls in different directions. As a medical practitioner, I also know that systems saves lives. In emergency care, chaos kills. Structure stabilizes. Spiritually, God's order protects us from unnecessary damage. Here is today's warfare truth. Being in the right position matters as much as being present. Many believers are counted, but not positioned. God assigns place, responsibility, and direction, so his people can move together when the time comes. Read these chapters carefully. Don't rush past the names and formations. Ask the Holy Spirit, where have you positioned me? Am I centered on God's presence or reacting to the noise around me? My fellow warriors, stand firm in position. Keep God at the center. Know your identity, because when God's people are ordered around his presence, the enemy finds no easy access. My fellow warriors, we shall meet on the battlefield tomorrow. Shalom.